So hello everyone. Today we are going to backtest our gold EA on the XAUUSD. We will backtest it on the multiple time durations like 1 month, 1 year, 2 year, and finally the 5 years. So I want to announce you one information that our all EAs are currently free. For the further information, I would like to inform you that you just have to download the EA from our POP link, and then after you can continue using it for free. So let's start with backtesting the EA. We will right click and go to test, and firstly we will start with 1 month of duration. So we will backtest it for the full September 01, 09, 30. So as you can see, it is going to backtest from the 1st September to 30 September. Then I have set the account size to 5k. Let's make it 10k. You can set it anything. You can start minimum trading with $100 account, and you can use it on the funded prop accounts like of the 10k, 50k, 100k, anything. Now let's move to the inputs. You have to set the lot size. As it is a 10k account, you have to set it to 2. If it was a 5k account, you have to then set the lot size 1. If it is a 20k account, you have to set the lot size 4. Likewise, you can change the lot size. Now let's start the backtesting. First move to the graph. It was previously tested, so graph is still there. As you can see, graph will start from the starting. So testing is started from the 1st of the September. As you can see, graph is moving up and up. Let's wait for the full backtest. As you can see, it is around 29 of September. The balance is completed the test. So full month of the backtest is completed. At the starting of the month, the balance was 10k, only 10k, and as you can see, it was 5th of September, and the balance went to 44k. And as you can see, the final results are around 60k. Just in a month, the bot, the EA, built 50k of the profit from the 10k account. You can see it is a 6 times of the account size. Now let's move to the backtest result. As you can see, initial deposit was 10k, gross profit was 50k 930, and the gross loss was only 90 USD. But to clear that, it is a USD account, and the net profit is 50,084. As you can see, the maximum drawdown in a balance was 0.16, which is 90, and maximum drawdown in the equity, it was around 16%, but It was in equity. Balance was not changed. Means in the trade duration, balance went goes up and down, but the trade didn't close in a loss, but it turned into a profit and a good profit. As you can see, let me maximize the size of the screen. You can see uh, the profit factor is 565 and the recovery factor is 5. And here you can see the win rate of the EA is 95.24% in a 1 month. Further, we will move to the 1 year of the backtest. It may change, it may not. But here you can see the average trade profit is 2500 USD and the average loss is 90, the maximum loss is 90, and the one most beautiful thing about the bot is look at this largest profit. It made 20k USD with a single trade. With only one trade, it made 20k. And I want to clear you one thing, it was a 10k account, not a big account of 100k or 200k. Here you can see the 17 consecutive wins, 45,000 consecutive profit, and average consecutive win is 10. Let's move to the 1 year of backtest. Change the date to today is the 13 October. Wait a minute, we will add here 13 October and 2024 October 30. So it will be backtesting from the 13 October 2024 to 2025 October 13. Let's select this option for now. So I will show you that how many trades are executed and how much it made from the average single trades. Let's start. First, you can see the boot is going, making the profits here, minimum loss here. Now let's minimize it for now and move to the graph. As you can see, the boat was started from 10k balance. Maybe this may be a news moment because and here we have not added the news filter. You need to manually use the EA on the high impact news release if you want. You can ignore that also because you can see it was only the one loss and the further it went straight to the top, and you can see the chart is moving in a further top direction. Let's move to the here you can see it made 7k of loss in only one trade, but average loss of the trades is around few $100, only 198, 160, 118, and even 80 and all. Let's go to the profits. Profits start from here. It made 10 USD to 12k USD from the single trades. As you can see, This all are the single trades. If you want, I can sort it by the dates, so you can see. First trade made on the 13th. This was the balance. First trade was made in 14 October 2024. It was sale, and it gave the 400 USD of the profit, and then the next day 15 it made 118 USD loss, and then you can see it was only one loss in this 5 profitable trades. It was just nominal. You can just ignore it. Sometime news movements or sometime market goes crazy. It can give a small of the losses, and then you can see all of the most are in a profit. Here you can see there was a loss of the 7K here. Then after no losses, only profit. And you can see here the 7K of loss was recovered by the 2 trades only. And up till this, it was everything in a profit. Let's move to the last. As you can see, it is going. And just look at here. The initial balance was 10K and it is not completed the full 1 year, but it is currently 464,712. Let's move to the graph. As you can see, the trading was started on the 13 October 2024 at the 18 December 2024. The balance was 88K. For March 2025, the balance was 135K. You can see this. This is 100 times of the initial balance. And it is not a full year, even not around, it was October, so it is like only 5 months, not 6 months completed, and it made the 135K. Now the backtesting is completed. Let's move to the backtest results. As you can see, the gross profit is 500K and the gross loss was only just 22K and 800 USD. As you can see, the profit factor and the recovery factors are changed, but as you can look here, the profit factor and recovery factor both are good enough to make a good profit, because somehow if it goes in a loss, the recovery factor of a 31.99 can get back, revive your account in a just few trades. As you can see, in a full year from the 13 October 2024, total 243 trades were made. Out of 243 trades, 10 short trades and 136 long trades were successful. So as you can see here, the overall win rate is around 19.53% in a full year of a duration. As you can see here, 22K, 20K is the largest profit and 2200 is the average profit, and the largest loss is of 14K and average loss is only 900 USD. As you can see here, the maximum balance drawdown was 14,000 USD, but it was the 10% of that time equity or balance you can consider here, and the maximum drawdown relative was 51%, and as you can see here, the equity drawdown maximum was 10%, and relative it went to the 13k. But look here, it went to the 97.33% drawdown, but it didn't blow with the account. It recovered and made a good mind-blowing profit of 4,700 USD. Not a 4,700, it is 470k USD. Let's move to the 5 years of backtest. So we'll change the date to 2020. Let's start the backtesting. Start. Wait a minute. We will disable this function to make the process faster. The backtesting is started. Currently running the backtesting. The initial balance I will show you here, it was 10k. It went to the 200k USD, and some loss. It went to the 115k USD equity. Not a problem. It recovered all the losses by just few trades, because losses are few, maybe smaller or larger, but the win rate of the EA is about 90%. So this much of the win rate result the unimaginable profit with a month, with a year, with the 5 years. Even in a few weeks, you can make a good profit. As you can see, it was started in 13 October 2020, and it is only a 1 year, 2021, and it made 740k. Is still going in a profit. Let's wait for completion of the 5 years of the backtest, so you will get the overall result. As you can see, in a starting it may give the loss, but with a long duration it recovers everything which lost and makes a good profit. As you can see here, in starting it made good profit, and then went in some losses, but after recovering this loss, I will consider it as a one loss. After recovering this loss, it didn't give this much of a loss. This going in a profit and a profit. After this, it didn't went around 10k, which was the initial balance, but it is moving further in a up direction. As you can see here, it is doing the 2022 8 month. So our balance is around 1000K, and it is just 2 years of backtest. It is currently going. Half of the backtesting is remaining, and it made around 1000K USD. I will like to again announce the information in this video. We have currently the Forex currency pairs trading bot, which is AI powered, and we have this one for the gold, and we have one more indicator which works on the gold and also on the Forex currency pairs, and you can also check it out on the indices also. So I will like to say you that if you want to grab the deal for the free, it is totally free. You don't have to invest single USD. You don't have to invest. You just have to join our Telegram channel. You just have to go through our WAP link, and that's all. You will get the access to the AI powered bot and the trading view indicator for Forex and gold. As you can see here, it is 2023 going 8th month. It is around 1200K USD of the account balance. Further, it is going in the upward direction. So let's for a wait. It is showing the estimated time to 6 minutes out of around 10 minutes. So I think it will take 3 to 4 more minutes. Just wait for it, and further on the completion of the backtesting, we will move to the result of the backtest, because it is a chart data, and backtesting result will be the overall summary of the all trades made in the duration of the 5 years with using this book. And I would like to inform you one more thing, and the lot size we have fixed for the backtesting. It was around 2 lots only, as the starting balance of the account was 10K. So if we increase the lot size of the account after a year, as you can see, 2020 started, and if we have made good amount of profit here. So after 1 year of the trading, you can increase the lot size here. And starting it was a 2, so you can make around 10 to 20 lot size here. If the lot size was 10, changed here, the profit would be going like this. It is making a good amount of profit with 2 lot size only. But if you change your lot size dynamically with the profit, you may get more and more multiple amount of a profit within a year. If you like changing your lot size after a six months, we'll be making like a double and double and double profit. As you can see, only the 1 year of the back testing is remaining, not 1.5 year. It will take around 2 more minutes. Just wait, or you can skip this part also and move to the back testing results. But I will like to suggest you that keep watching the chart going on the upside. You will get a better knowledge of about how it is working, how it is not. So I would like to suggest you that avoid skipping the video. You may lose some of the important information, like I discussed the keyboard information in the middle of the video. So I will also make a separate video on the free boards. You can grab it the deal. Also, even if I have said you everything in this video, but still, if required, just comment down below. I will make the separate video on it, and you will get the access to it on YouTube. So you will just start using it. Backtesting is completed, so we will move to the result of the backtesting. Let's maximize this mode. Here you can see first you can focus here the starting history quality like around 2020 data, which here was in a loss. So it was the quality issue of the data in the MT5. It is not an issue of our board. As you can see here, the initial balance was 10K. Gross profit was around 2663240. It is large compared to this much of initial balance. And you can see compared to the gross profit, the loss is just minimal. Not even in the same digits. Like as you can see here, this is the 6-digit number of the loss and it is the 7-digit number of a profit. As you can see here, the balance drawdown was only 205K USD and the equity drawdown was 207K USD only, which is comparatively too low with this much of profit. As you can see here, in a full 5 year of a duration, the board has given a 90.79% of a win rate, which is exceptional. So the largest profit was 47K. The average profit was 2400. The average loss was around this. Average largest profit was this, but the losses were only the 9% were losses, just 9%. Not a big deal. And the consecutive profit was around 205K USD. And you can see here, these are the results by the weekdays. This is result compared to the all sessions, Asia, Europe, USA, profit and losses by hours. So we can see here the most profit we made in the 0 UTC or GMT, you can consider it. Maximum profit were made in the Tuesday. This all was about the year's performance. If you like it, you can grab the deal for a free. Just join our walk and our Telegram group. Link is in description. If it is not clickable, you can copy and paste in a browser. You can get access to the link. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep attached with the new informations.